वेलकम टू एजुकेशन में। दिस इज योर इंस्ट्रक्टर अनिका एंड आज के इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन के बारे में। नाउ बिफोर गेटिंग इनटू द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ व्हाट मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन, फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन, देन देयर इज योर gametogenesis. Then after that you have fertilization, implantation, menstrual cycle, pregnancy, and then the fertilization events, and thereafter embryonic development, also parturition and lactation. This is the whole content of this chapter. Okay, but उसको समझने के लिए we need to get to the very basics of this chapter. Like they might ask you that if there is a gamete formation, let's say this is a sperm and this is your egg. Okay, तो इनका origin क्या है? जैसे कि हमारे nerve cells, they are ectodermally originated, and same goes for the organs also, they are endodermally originated, mesodermally originated, right? So हमारी जो body है, जैसे blood vessels हो गए, ये सारे endodermally originated होते हैं. तो ये सब आपसे बहुत basic understandings में they might ask you that what are their origin, right? So जो gametes होते हैं, they are mesodermally originated. This is the very basic question they might ask you in exams also. So gametes are formed in separate paired organs of paired organs and mesodermally originated. They are known as gonads. Now gonads in males are known as testes. जो मेल्स में गोनाड्स हैं उनको हम टेस्टीज बोलते हैं, एंड जो फीमेल्स में गोनाड्स हैं दे आर नोन एज ओवीज, राइट? ये बहुत बेसिक था. नाउ there are two different types of sex organs in both the sexes. First is your primary sex organs. Now what primary sex organ does is they produce gametes or sex organs. Like for example, the ovaries, this is your female reproductive organ and here is the ovary, right? So the ovaries form eggs. Okay, so their main function is the organs which produce gametes और sex hormones. तो यहाँ से आपके क्या रिलीज होते हैं? जो भी आपके gametes हैं, जो भी आपके sex organs हैं, they release it, तो इनको primary sex organs बोला जाता है. तो जो मेल्स होते हैं उनमें testes is a primary organ, sex organ, and ovaries and females are the primary sex organs. But इन organs के बाद जो बात के जो इवेंट्स में काम आएंगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ से अगर एग रिलीज होता है, सो दिस ओविडक्ट और यू माइट कॉल इट फेलोपियन ट्यूब ऑल्सो, दिस होल थिंग विल हेल्प इट टू कैरी इट राइट टू द लोकेशन, so which only help in maturation, conduction of gametes. They are called secondary sex organs. So secondary sex organs का जो main motive होता है in the conduction and in the maturation of that egg or sperm. So these organs help in maturation and conduction of gametes, while these organs produce the gamete or they produce the sex organs. So males में epididymis, vasa efferentia and males में penis. Then your females में oviduct and uterus is the secondary sex organs, right? So this was about the whole basics of this chapter. Now we will understand what male reproductive organ is, and in that male reproductive organ I will explain maybe in a detailed manner what is inguinal canal is, spermatic cords are, then your three different the whole seminal vesicle and your prostate gland, bulbourethral gland, what are their functions. So we will get into that also in second part. So I hope आपको ये समझ आया. Thank you so much for watching.